Halloween, this is Halloween, pumpkin screaming in the air. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene.
Inside this lasagna will be some pumpkin and some vegan burger mince. It's gonna be super easy. You can make this for Halloween. Let's get into the video. Now, the most important thing when making a baking tray out of a pumpkin, which, let's be honest, that's what we're doing here, is to get a big pumpkin, something that's really giant and is gonna hold its shape. It's uniformly round and it's gonna sit up. Scoop out the seeds and put that to one side. Next, we're gonna make a super speedy ragu. Passata, sun-dried tomatoes, paprika, a load of good things going into that blender. And what we're doing here is we're layering flavor. We don't want to simmer for hours, we want to cook quickly, and we've done that in that sauce. Now, our lasagna sheets are gonna break up into bite-sized chunks and parboil them, give them a little pre-cook. That'll soften them for later. Now we'll get on with our ragu. Add some olive oil from the sun-dried tomato jar if you're feeling fancy, and then a touch of soy mince or some pumpkin. If you've got some of that leftover pumpkin, then absolutely use some of that finely ground. We'll add that tomato sauce that we made before, stir that together, and we've got a speedy ragu that's taken us all of 10 minutes to put together. Of course, get some pepper and some seasoning on there. Always taste as you go, really important tip. Grilled artichokes now are gonna add a lovely pre-cooked bit of bite to this ragu. And for the next step, we're gonna stir through our lasagna sheets. Remember, they were partly cooked, they're nearly ready. Just stir them through. Instead of layering here, we are folding, and then make a nice smooth topping and put that to one side. Now for our speedy bechamel. We're using plant-based crème fraîche, a touch of nutritional yeast, some plant-based parmesan, and a pinch of salt. That's it. So easy, so quick. And stir that bechamel together really, really well. It's time for us to build our lasagna. So take that lovely ragu and those broken up lasagna sheets, which are now partially cooked, and pour that into our pumpkin baking tray. That's right, we're really doing this. Now use a wooden spoon to just make sure the top is super smooth and flat. Flatten it all down, smooth it all down before adding our speedy bechamel. That's gonna go all over the top. Carefully make sure it goes right to the edges. Try not to get the red tomato from underneath on top. Grate over some dairy-free cheese and then pop that under the grill for 5 minutes with that lid off. The top is gonna blacken just a touch. The pumpkin is gonna cook just a little bit, but not so much that it disintegrates. I'm gonna use some fresh basil leaves to make a scary face, and then that is a pumpkin lasagna ready to serve. Madness. But think about that lasagna. It was super quick for you to put together. It's got that wonderful ragu with the artichokes. We've flavored it like it's been simmering for ages. It's got soy mince. It's got that speedy bechamel, all topped off with your vegan cheese. Absolutely delicious. Wow, that tastes absolutely incredible. I did it. I made a lasagna inside a pumpkin. It's our Speedy BOSH recipe for pumpkin lasagna. It's super fast. That meant the pumpkin could become the baking tray because it wasn't in the oven that long. That is absolutely delicious. Tastes rich, tastes unctuous, tastes meaty. It's got burgers running throughout it. It tastes like a real meat lasagna that took 2 hours to stew, but that only took half an hour to make and about an extra 10 minutes to make the pumpkin. Let's see what Ian thinks. Here?
Whoa.
Here it is.
Oh man, pumpkin in a lasagna is a very, very good idea.
It makes sense, right?
Yeah, it does.
Lasagna in a pumpkin.
It's perfect. It's so perfect. It smells
Yes.
amazing. I love lasagna. I'm gonna go straight in.
So remember what happened here. We made a super speedy ragu. We made our meaty vegan burger mince. We made a cheese bechamel super speedy. We broke up our lasagna sheets and turned them through it. So it wasn't really layered, it was stirred. And then we baked it all off inside a pumpkin.
It's bonkers.
It's mad, right?
But it works so well, honestly. It's like the flavors are all there, the textures are all there, just like the comedic value of it is all there. It's amazing, it's fantastic.
Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Is that absolutely ridiculous or is it genius? And we will see you on the next one, guys.
See you later, guys. This is delicious.
Peace.